The Google Pixel 8 Pro has appeared in a couple of hands-on images that have seemingly been leaked by a user in Vietnam. The Pixel 8 Pro is scheduled to be launched at an event taking place on October 4, with Google itself already leaking numerous details about its 2023 flagship smartphone. So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. A couple of hands-on images of the Google Pixel 8 Pro have been shared on Facebook and X, formerly Twitter, with the smartphone in question coming in obsidian black. The design of the Pixel 8 Pro has already been known for some time now, with numerous Pixel 8 leaks, some even coming from Google, giving fans a good idea of what to expect on October 4. In this case, there's a look at both the rear and front of the Google Pixel 8 Pro, with the settings shown on the display apparently confirming this is the real deal. Unsurprisingly, the rear of the Pixel 8 Pro reveals the familiar camera bar, with the smartphone sporting 3 sensors here: a 50MP main camera, a 48MP ultra-wide camera, and a 48MP telephoto lens. There is also a 10.5MP selfie camera fitted on the front. It's clear to see in the Pixel 8 Pro live images that the rear has a matte sheen to it and the front offers plenty of screen real estate to the user thanks to some very narrow bezels. As well as obsidian black, the Google Pixel 8 Pro should also be available in sky blue and porcelain colors. The Pixel 8 Pro price is expected to start at $899/999 £. It's disappointing to see the Pro controls feature limited to the Pixel 8 Pro. Manual controls such as these are commonplace on other smartphones. I can see no technical reason why the standard Pixel 8 should be excluded, as it contains very similar camera hardware to the Pro model. It's unfortunate that the base Pixel 8 model, as it stands, appears to be artificially limited in ways that might catch unwary customers out. We'll find out for sure on October 4. Nonetheless, given the rumored limitations of the base Pixel 8 model, is it still worth waiting for the Pixel 8 Pro? Do let us know your thoughts about it in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.